Let's make a beautiful and stylish bowl with a Papier-Mâché. For today's project, we are using 2 packs of ready-made mix. We will create the desired bowl shape, which will be completely uneven on top of plastic wrap. The more unique and uneven the shape, the more eye-catching the final result. And with the help of water, shape and smooth it. So what is Papier-Mâché? Papier-Mâché or Papier-Mâché is a fun and versatile crafting material made from just paper and glue. You can make it yourself or use pre-made kits. Now that you got your shape just the way you want it, grab a bowl and place your creation inside. Here's my tip if you want to make it yourself. Soak some egg trays in water, blend them up and mix in some glue. And boom! You've got a Papier-Mâché. You can also use newspaper or even toilet paper if that's what you have at home. Using a straw, we will make some holes. They will be needed for a special accent. Papier-Mâché projects are perfect for home decors, gifts or fun weekend crafting. They are beginner friendly, perfect for kids, crafters and artists of all ages. Now let it dry completely. Usually it takes up to 72 hours depending on size. You can speed up drying with a fan or low heat oven, approximately 200 degrees Fahrenheit or 90 degrees Celsius. Now it's ready to decorate and display. Now let's grab some jute twine and 2 pieces of driftwood to make it look even more charming and give it to that cozy boho vibe. You can give it some color. You can use acrylic paint. It sticks well and dries quickly. Go wild with your design or keep it simple. Totally up to you. Use a clear acrylic varnish or Mod Podge to coat the whole surface. This makes it more durable, gives it a nice finish, and yes, makes it water resistant too. If you want extra protection, apply 2 or 3 coats, letting each one dry in between. I decided to leave it as is, without coating, and our wonderful home decor bowl is ready. So let me know in the comments how you liked it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY craft videos. Happy crafting to all of you! Bye!